woken up from a 2-hour nap because I literally had my COVID vaccine because I'm going to America. I'm so excited. But we're going to London. I'm very excited. It's my best friend's 27th birthday. If you don't already know, get to know. This is the best. I'll show you my travelling outfit. Ignore the absolute mess that is my kitchen. But I've got these shorts on from Boohoo, which are honestly the most comfortable shorts. Just a linen jacket and this Primark top because comfort is key. But anyway, let's go. I've just been listening to the best podcast ever. It's called Unfinished. It's about FLDS. Guys, if you're interested in like polygamy or cults, I love like cult stuff, I'd really recommend. Hi, can I get a oat milk chai latte please, a medium?
Sure. Medium oat chai latte, yeah.
And then can I also get, what was the strawberry and cream muffin please?
A one strawberries and cream muffin?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
No, that's everything, thank you. Thank you. Perfect, thank you, cheers. My phone is not syncing with my inside of my car, so I'm having to use AirPods, which is great for me. Jesus Christ. It's the next day. I'm not gonna lie guys, after my jab I feel really poorly. It has made me feel quite poorly, but we've got to get glam. I'm going out tonight. I don't know what kind of makeup I want to do. I think I want to do something like smoky. I still don't know what I'm going to wear, so we're going to choose an outfit as well. But Alex is just making me lunch now, and yeah, I'm going to get in the shower because I smell disgusting. Oh, I'm always dropping my vape on the floor. Anyway, I'm going to go shower and then let's do glam. Alex made me food. Look how delicious. Thanks, girl. Right, my makeup's half done, but I'm gonna make us some little drinks because I can't be going to a bar without drinking alcohol first. Tonic. Oh, fucking hell. Oopsie. If you don't know, get to know. This gin is unreal. It's the rhubarb one. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I may have made it too strong, Alex. Right guys, this is the first option. I do think it's really cute. I don't know if I'm like loving it. I haven't done jewellery yet. The skirt is from Succeed and the top is from Pretty Little Thing. I do think it's cute. I just don't know if it's the right vibe for Jimbo Law. This is the second option. I do really like this. I need to iron the skirt though, but I don't know. I've done it on Instagram. I've done a TikTok poll actually just to see which one everyone preferred. I'm literally so bloody hot right now. Okay, this is the outfit I've gone for. I hope that you like it and you didn't choose the pink. Look at that Sula. My god, girl. Sorry I didn't close out yesterday. I'm back in Southampton now. The night out was really fun guys, but Jimbo Law was so expensive. I'll insert a clip that I took of the menu. It was like £84 for a bottle of wine. £84. So we only stayed for about 4 or 5 hours. Like, it was really fun, but it was just too expensive for me. And then we just got like, I think we got Thai food, just chilled, drove back. I'm filming now. I also just burnt myself on my straightener. I literally just leant on it. Look at that. It fucking hurts so much. But anyway, I'm filming for like a UGC content, which I haven't talked about on my YouTube very much, but that's like basically my main job is UGC. I'll talk about it a little bit later on, but basically I'm doing a live for a brand. I'm going to do 2 lives a week every single month for them. So we're going to do that. I've got them ready for that. I just need to sort my hair out. I'm going to film some reels first for Instagram. set up. This is my phone, ready to go. Got my lighting rig, and we're going live on the internet. So I thought I'd talk you through about like what UGC is and how I make money from it, because it's basically my full-time job. I do that and content creation, but UGC is what I make like my living on. Basically what UGC is it stands for user generated content, and this essentially means you make content for a brand, company, service, whatever it might be, for their social medias, websites, whatever it might be, their ads. So it hasn't got anything to do with your social media, so you don't need a following to do this. I started doing it when I was living in Spain because I was like, right, I want to make money online. I have a camera, I have a microphone, I have a tripod. What can I do to make money? So I basically work on Fiverr. But you basically set up a gig profile. I'll upload my screenshot here. So I basically just have a video of me talking to the camera being like, hi guys, welcome to my gig. I can be your spokesmodel for videos, reviews, whatever you might need. Please message me. Then you have all of your rates on there. My rates are quite low. They start off from about £30 up to about 90, but every single job I do a custom order, so I normally get between 65 and £200 depending on what the job is. And this is a really good way to make money if you have a camera, if you already do social media, or if you want to get into it. It really helps with like building the confidence in front of the camera. But yeah, essentially it's kind of like acting. They'll give you a script, you read the script, make sure everything's okay, and then they'll request like backgrounds or whatever they want. You basically just shoot it, edit it, send it over to them, they approve it, and then you get paid. Like, it's honestly as simple as that. But anyway, now I'm gonna eat some dinner. My mum's making me pie, which I'm really excited about, but I actually am gonna buy loads of holiday clothes. So let's do a little bit of shopping first, and then my next video I'm gonna be trying on all the good stuff, because yeah, I go to France in like 5 days and I don't have any outfits. I have no outfits, so I need to buy some holiday clothes. I was just about to buy my holiday clothes and my mum's like, oh, we need your passport for the passport number. Can I find my passport anywhere? No. So this is my room right now. Doesn't even look that bad, but guys, there's stuff absolutely everywhere because I'm literally tearing the place to shreds trying to find my passport. I'm pretty sure it's at Lee's house. Like, I'm pretty sure after Copenhagen it's at his house, but he's at a medical facility doing like a medical test and he can't get there till Thursday morning. So I might have to get the train from Southampton to Manchester tomorrow morning, and then yeah, spend the whole day trying to look for my passport. If it's not there, I'm gonna have to go to the passport office, but I'm now worried that I can't go. We're gonna see. Okay guys, we've made it to Manchester after a 4.5 hour train. Got the keys. We're gonna go to Lee's house and let's just both pray my passport is there, because if it's not, I'm gonna cry. Literally the anticipation is killing me. Right, so we're back from Manchester now. Literally I searched everywhere in Lee's apartment and it wasn't there. So I was just hysterically crying yesterday, so I didn't want to film. But as I got on the train station, I was on a bus. My sister called me and we have it, thank the Lord. She found it in the living room on like a really tall cabinet at the top. Really weird. I definitely didn't put it there. I don't know who put it there. But anyway, so I'm actually going to France, although we checked the weather and apparently it's raining all week. So that's great. I'm hoping that it's not going to rain. But anyway, I'm buying clothes now for my holiday, so I thought I'd show you what I'm going to get. Okay, so guys, my sister's getting some stuff as well. But I'm getting some really cute outfits for my holiday. Look how cute this two-piece is. Like, it's giving full Y2K vibes. I'm also gonna get this. How fucking cute is this? I'm thinking in like a vineyard. Although they don't have a 14, so we're gonna pray that a size 12 fits me. Like, please, Lord. So anyway, I'm gonna close out this video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. A bit of a different video for me, but I honestly enjoyed filming it. But I'm so excited that I'm going to France. My next video is gonna be a pack with me, holiday outfits, all that good stuff. So make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.